Running out of mobile memory? Can't handle so many apps on your phone? Or any other reason? In this video I will tell you how you can add Hotmail, Outlook, Yahoo or Live account in your Gmail app and use it just like Gmail. It's super easy and very quick. So let's begin. First of all, open Gmail app. Click on the top right corner circle. Now you can see an option of add another account. Click here. Here you will see the multiple options to add Google, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo and other email IDs. Currently we are adding Hotmail email address, so we will click here. Now type in the email address. Input your password and then press sign in. Here you will see terms and conditions. Scroll them down and press OK or yes button. It's validating your settings. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. You can uncheck any option if you don't like that. Currently I'm pressing next button. Here you can change your name as well, but currently I'm hitting next button. Now account has been set up. Let me log into my new Hotmail account from this Gmail app. Click here, scroll down, and here I have my Hotmail account in my Gmail. I click here. Now I've been logged into my new Hotmail account. You can use it just like your Gmail. By clicking here, you can access the inbox, drafts, outbox, sent, and other options as well. You can compose an email from this Hotmail account as well. I hope you have liked my video. If you do like it, please share it and do subscribe to my channel and press the like button.